For this project, I'm using black PLA filament. There's one small challenge: painting the fire selector marks in red. To solve it, I've made a stencil. I'll fix it in place with some tape right over the slots on the receiver and spray red paint through it. As you can see, even though I carefully masked the entire receiver with paper, some red paint still got onto the grip. I'll clean that up by gently spraying a small amount of black paint over the area. We'll begin assembly with the magazine. First, slide the dummy cartridges onto the pin. Then insert that pin, with the rounds attached, into the magazine body. Finally, snap the bottom plate shut to lock everything in place. For the trigger's spring, I use a small 30 by 4 by 0.3 millimeter spring. You can use a spring from a regular ballpoint pen. It's best to insert the spring pin into the slot by hand, guiding it carefully through the ejection port until it reaches the threaded hole. Once it's aligned, screw it in using either pliers or a flathead screwdriver. The mainspring is 300 millimeters long, 12 millimeters in diameter, with a 0.5 millimeter wire thickness. If you don't have one, you can simply use the coil from a standard school notebook's spiral binder. I like to use small strips of masking tape to temporarily hold the parts in place while assembling. After the model is fully put together and you're sure everything fits correctly, you can apply glue to make all the connections permanent. For the magazine catch, I use a 30 by 6 by 0.3 millimeter spring. It's the same type of small spring you can easily find inside a regular ballpoint pen.